Hi guys, in this video I'm going to be showing you how to get rid of the plus red sign or the plus red cross on your Miele washing machine, which appears on the screen. It's nothing to worry about. It's just a sign from your machine that it needs a self-cleaning program with at least 60 degrees temperature. And this happens when you often wash your clothes with temperatures of 40 degrees and below. And it's a sign that your machine has buildup of bacteria, bad odor, and germs. So to do this, the easiest way will just be running your load, like when you have beddings and towels on 60 degrees, any program with 60 degrees, and then the sign should be disappearing at the end of the wash. To do this, your machine has a few options with 60 degrees. The first one is on the right side, which is dark colors and jeans. So just choose a 60 degrees and then start. On the left side, you have two options with cotton. So Baumwolle is just a German word for cotton. The first option has only 60. Second option has 90 and 60. 90 is perfect because it's high, but it's not so energy efficient, but gets rid of all the buildup in your machine, and you will get better results with 690 as than with 60. Last option will be with delicate fabrics, and this one you just choose 60 and then start your program, and this should get rid of the problem. So you can do this once in a while that you don't have this plus sign problem from time to time. Bye.